1 Employee motivation. I have been hired as a store manager for animation and graphics design company named Fabnetfly e-solution. Currently majority of our staff are feeling unmotivated. Motivation is one of the performance elements that engages workers. Motivation can help create a more profitable operation, boost morale, and reduce loss. From a manager's perspective, an ability to influence workers' drive by creating their source of understanding can influence productivity. Having inspired and enthused employees are the key to every organization's desire to be effective and successful. Jensen, 2018. To attain this, I should create a positive and strong relationship with my staff and ensure that they have job satisfaction. Motivation comes when an employed person interacts with a circumstance and determines interest and energy that will translate into action. Intensity is whereby an employed person puts efforts and tries to get the goals of the company. Antoni et al., 2017. Persistence and willpower are also necessary to determine how a person can maintain the endeavor to achieve a goal. Employees' motivation varies over time and situation to situation. At times, a person's needs and attitude can lead to unmotivated and the struggle to work together to achieve the department's goals. It's hard to motivate employers when they cannot see the fruits of their labor. The main causes of dissatisfaction and unmotivated employees leading to the struggle to work together and failure to meet the goal include: unfair use of policies, lack of recognition and praise, poor management, a limited chance for progress, supplies shortages when there is no planning, lack of training, lack of confidence in the company, bad hiring practices, lack of discipline and accountability, bad communication problems encountered. The penalty of having an apathetic staff harms the company department. When there is no concern and motivation for work has a very terrible outcome. Being a manager, it's necessary to be anxious about employees' motivation. Lacking an entire occupied workforce makes it is less probable to attain the goals of the company. Bratton, 2020. Once the workers no longer feel interested in their careers, there will be an equivalent decline in productivity, morale, and output. Below are some of the problems experienced when working with unmotivated employees. Poor customer service in retail. Our main focus is providing the best customer care service. Poor service delivery outcome as a result of the staff being unmotivated. My staff member aren't concerned about going the extra mile to help a customer. This issue hinders the company's vision and success journey. The unmotivated employee cannot look for a good resolution if doing so requires extra effort or time. Failure to overcome adversity. An apathetic employee isn't able to overcome challenges. When challenges come, he may act as if told to stop what he is doing instead. Such workers who lack motivation also lack the energy to seek different resolutions that might seem sensible and work out. The apathy of the job. Such an employee does not appear to be concerned about whether he has a job or not. This worker doesn't apologize in case of any mistake or aim for positivity. Complaints and apathy have a negative consequence on the manager and overall team. Low productivity. Reduced productivity is a major disadvantage as a result of unmotivated employees. Without ample motivation to toil hard and finish the duty, the department faces risk, including late orders and unprofessional work to clients. This tarnishes the name of the manager and company. Successful business measures quantitative and qualitative productivity. Low productivity results in a loss. Griffith et al., 2019. A qualitative decrease in output frequently results from clients' complaints due to a substandard product or service. High turnover. This is another disadvantage of employees not feeling motivated. When the staff doesn't feel engaged or challenged in the job at hand, an effect is quitting the job and looking for employment elsewhere. Turnover hence becomes a pricey outcome for the department. Getting new employees and training them up to par requires additional funds. Instead of the company making strides in terms of progress, this drags the process behind. Workplace conflict. Managing people who are struggling to work together isn't an easy task. Being in the managerial position, it is unproductive when employees are at odds with management or one another, leading to a toxic environment. Constant complaints, bickering, gossip, and clique information stresses a lot as a manager and delays achieving the department objectives. Plans for changes. It's significant to deal with the matter before it becomes too deep and negatively impacts the company goals and vision. The longer the crisis is ignored, the more it makes it harder to work together to achieve the department's objectives. As a manager, it's necessary to create a plan that will help make the employees inspired and eager to work together as a team to achieve the goals and objectives desired. This is the plan set to be worked on in line to induce all the staff harmony and cooperation in working with the management. Transparency in the department. It's a focus on transparency and also creating a culture we want. This thought is sequentially to encourage creativity, teamwork, and to break down barriers. As a result, employees will feel empowered by the transparency. Bratton, 2020. Intelligibility will engage the workers more, hence they will feel appreciated and engaged typically. Rewarding employees. It's necessary to reward committed employees with simple incitement, in turn, to encourage other workers to labor hard. This provokes the spirit of working hard and consequently achieving the department goals. Rewarding the workers could be part of the business reimbursements. Listening to the employees and addressing their needs. It will be necessary to pay attention to their views, take care of their suggestions, and have a healthy debate to show that they are treasured. Eavesdropping is a hard engagement, and employees will feel important, therefore, it can bring immense value. Workers who like being listened to will want to give in return and do their best to the fullest. Recognizing a hard-working staff. Leading a motivated group of employees is easier than leading an unmotivated one. Good leadership and inspiration go hand in hand, especially when publicly recognizing workers for jobs done perfectly. An individual will feel appreciated and valued by the management because of the recognition. Encouraging friendly competition. A little competition between employees is fine and healthy. A competitive working place is a productive environment that leads to increased camaraderie. Friendly competition among the staff group assists with worker engagement and employee participation. Giving personal attention. When a worker becomes sure that the managerial team is giving full attention in his career progress, that worker becomes aggravated to succeed. Rubin and Gigliotti, 2017. Managers should put into agenda weekly or monthly one-on-one sitting with each staff member to converse the employee's current career aspirations and job duties. Acknowledging employees' accomplishment and success. Acknowledging a work well done by the manager will signify more to a worker. It's always good to give credit when the credit is due. Encouraging teamwork and creativity. Creativity does not have to be only a task done by employees, but it can also include giving ideas on the company team-building exercises. Creating openness to innovative ideas at any level keeps the team working together. Giving the employees purpose. By inspiring and giving the employees purpose, they will understand the vision better and execute more strongly. Additionally, by comprehending their function and the corporation's idea, they will be able to work as one in achieving the objectives. Improving communication. Having positive communication will increase employees' motivation and converse with one another. Team communication is super valuable. Conclusion. Perfect motivation strategies will reward the company with greater devotion and optimistic perception of the corporation's future. A motivated member of staff who takes pleasure in coming to labor is a worthy investment. By being a manager, it's good to boost team happiness. Members of staff require regular individual and group credit for a job perfectly done, and the support of a manager who truly pays attention to their problems and ideas. The benefits of having motivated employees in the department will include better employee satisfaction, increased productivity, lower or reduce absenteeism, improved employee efficiency, better quality of work, increased employee commitment. A positive place of work is a fundamental factor that will get the business to the top. In order to attain a maximum level of efficiency, the managing board requires encouraging a positive place of the work environment. You can find more from following references. Antoni, C.H., Betten, X, Perkins, S.J., Shaw, J.D., and Varshanen, M., 2017. Reward Management, Linking Employee Motivation and Organizational Performance. Bratton, J. ed. 2020, Organizational Leadership. Sage Publications Limited. Griffith, J. A., Bauer, J. E., and Buckley, M. R., 2019. Creating Comprehensive Leadership Pipelines, Applying the Real Options Approach to Organizational Leadership Development. Human Resource Management Review, 29, 305-315. Jensen, J.D., 2018. Employee Motivation, A Leadership Imperative. International Journal of Business Administration, 9, 2, 93-98. Rubin, B.D., and Gigliotti, R.A., 2017. Communication, Sine qua non of Organizational Leadership Theory and Practice. International Journal of Business Communication, 54, 1, 12-30.